Tufts University's Department of Computer Science prepares you to advance AI, cybersecurity, data science, and more, addressing some of the world's technological challenges for the public good. Students benefit from networking opportunities in the nearby tech hubs of Boston and Cambridge, along with small class sizes and expert faculty on campus. Through our graduate programs, some offered both in-person and online, students design software, develop algorithms, and build computer systems that power technology across industries.
A recent alum who works in cybersecurity at MasterCard said that Tufts' interdisciplinary master's program gave him the confidence to pursue a career in cybersecurity, where he has quickly become a leader on his team.
Our alumni have gone on to work at companies such as Google, Deloitte, Meta, and more, with positions such as computer systems analyst and data scientist, applying their expertise to real-world challenges for the public good. Gain hands-on experience through the School of Engineering Graduate Co-op Program, with up to 6 months of full-time work experience. Expand your impact with Tufts' dual degree program, combining an MS with a leadership-focused MS from the Gordon Institute. Advanced computing, drive innovation, lead in technology for the public good.
Learn more at go.tufts.edu/cs.